You're not going to eat us, right?
Come on.
He's just sleeping now.
I just had
Move.
a very large meal. Not pteranodons, by the way. Some fish, so I'm not hungry.
Why were you hiding in the water then?
Well, it's hot out. And crocodilians need to stay cool. I like to lie in the water, almost completely covered.
Electro.
And also, I'm actually kind of shy.
Really? Sometimes I feel
Peekaboo.
shy around strangers too.
Crocodilians can float so that just their eyes and nostrils are above the water. That way she can look around and breathe without being easily seen.
Wow, she swims with her feet and tail.
Don't lean on the table like that.
It looks like there's hardly anything there. At first, we thought you were alive. No offense.
None taken. Well, that's how I hunt. I lie very still, like this.
Oh wow, I believe that.
Hello.
It's okay.
Yeah, get that stuff off here.
Oh well, I can't blame